What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Factorio Space Age, the 11th episode. Um, Last video, we went ahead and rebuilt this blue science here, which is fantastic. I like it. Looks very good. I just hooked my belts up with all my other science and started running them out this way. Down there somewhere, I'm going to put my science labs and stuff. Not 100% sure where yet. But what I want to get done today is yellow science. I think I want to do yellow before purple. So we'll see how that goes. Now what I need to figure out is how many assemblers I'm going to need to get my 90 per minute, just like the other ones. So this right here is 38.571. Interesting ratio. So I need... How about this? 77. So it's going to take quite a few of these guys as well. That is 77, and I need 90 per minute. It's quite a bit. So I have 3 more. 96. Take one of them out, and that'll give us 90 to the T. Alright. So now I need to decide how long I want this thing. If I want it double, kind of like the blue, or just one long column. I'm kind of leaning towards the one long column. So we're going to need 90 per minute low density structures as well. And 60 blue circuits. We're going to need flying robot frames. Is that telling me how many it needs? Do I need 14 machines to make, say, 90 low density structures? Is that accurate? Is that what it's telling me? I don't know. Oops. How many is this right here? 14. Or, oh, it must be telling me that that it's being consumed by 14. So if I had 14 of these, yeah, that's only 42. Oof. We're gonna need a lot of low density structures, which is gonna be a lot of copper. Okay. Go ahead and take those guys out. Yeah, that is gonna be a lot of low density structures. Let's go ahead and get that taken care of first. That's gonna be a lot of copper. So, low density structures, those are gonna need... How many am I gonna need? Quite a few. Let's just get this run right here. How many is that? 13. 14. These are going to take plastic, steel, and copper. So if I put those there, just one line is going to need 840 copper, making 42. What if I... Oh, actually... No, okay, I can make these here. I was worried that plastic wasn't going to reach. Okay. Let me add one more. Will that give me 45? 45, okay. With 900 copper. So 1 yellow belt worth. Okay, that's doable. Plastic and steel, so 225. That's going to be 450 on the dot, so a half belt of plastic's going to be right at it as well. Alright, let's copy you. Right there. This is going to be the output. And then we're going to want to input plastic and steel. This is without any productivity modules and stuff. Also, I know I could have gotten into modules a long time ago, but I haven't. So we're just going to kind of keep going without modules for now. Alright. So we're going to input. Input and output like that. Can I use yellow inserters? Probably. But I think I'm gonna do away with yellow inserters. Ooh, that doesn't quite line up the way I wanted it to. That'll work. Let's go ahead and do our long. So that's inputting. We should be able to just do the opposite. Okay. And copper. Alright, give you guys time to catch up. Something like that should work just fine. And we can bring plastic right there. Steel right there. Might help if I actually hook the plastic up, though. That's fine. Do that like that. Okay. So steel, plastic hooked up. I should just be able to hook up the copper. And be on our way. There's a couple of density structures right there. Okay. Now those I wanted to hook up. Right here. Thought one yellow belt of copper was going to be enough to run them all. Is that not a fully saturated? Should be. Was my math wrong? It says 900, so... maybe it'll... saturate eventually. These do 900, right? Am I completely wrong in that these... I could have swore it was. Let's see. Calculator. 60 times 15. Yeah, it's 900, so I don't know. I guess it's slowly getting there. This one's working now, so... cool. We'll leave that, and there goes all of our copper. That's all gone. Well, as long as I've got it on my bus, then I'm happy, because that's one of the ingredients we're going to need. Just copy. Okay. Alright, alright, alright. That'll work. Let's... I think I'm running on one copper mine right now. Let's go ahead. I don't want to do it, but I do need to, which do I have rubber? Yeah. I do have coverage over there. Okay. So let's do this. I'm going to bring in those two copper lines. Didn't really want to, but we need them. I won't be able to get the third one, though. I could squeeze a third one in if I wanted to. Something like that. And don't know what I'm going to do with that stone yet. Right there. That'll get us a little bit more copper rolling in. And those guys are both up here. Okay. Got 400 of those guys. While we're at it, let's go ahead and give our bots something to work on at least for now. We're going to want to do yellow underground to red underground. Yellow splitter. Red splitter. Okay. So then let's hit this entire line. That's going to be 781 belts. Bots will be busy for a little bit. That's going to, I think, shut everything down. And the copper is on its way. Did these get upgraded to be... Yeah. Alright. On to the next thing. For yellow science, we need flying robot frames and blue chips. Blue processing units. What do you take as far as plastic? Oh, quite a bit. Low density structures are taking... Oh, quite a bit of plastic also. So we're probably going to need more plastic soon. Alright, so we're going to do blue circuits right here. And we are going to need... a lot of green chips. This is going to make me 40.5. And I needed how much? 60. Okay. That's 36, and it's going to take 720. I'm going to be needing some more green circuits in the future. And 72 red. I'll do it this size. No, let's build for the future. We might as well. Let's make it to where it takes a full 900 green. Full belt of green. Okay. How can I hook you up to where I can use red inserters, I think. So we can go it's going to take up so much room. Okay. Let's cut that. Put it there, turn it around. 1, 2, 3. So right there. Oh, I'm gonna need red circuits in. Also. Sorry, bots. Alright, red circuits down the middle. Green circuits up here. And I'm gonna have to move this entire thing again. Is it gonna fit if I move the entire thing again? No. It will not. This one is not planning out the way I want it to. I don't know why this one is stumping me so hard. Alright, how many total red circuits will I need? 180, so it's only half a belt. If that. Crap, that's not going to work either for me. Oh. I got an idea. Let's put... I think that'll give me my clearance that I need. That might work. Yeah. And then just whoop. That works. Okay. And then we copy this. Do a vertical flip. And then it fits. It fits in between the substations. Cool. Okay, that'll work. No. Okay. That should work just fine, just like that. Okay. Alright. Now... need to get my green circuits in. Okay. Green circuits are in. We need sulfuric acid. Got sulfur there. How do we do sulfuric acid? I think it's just sulfur and iron plates. Fuck is it? Alright, so there's gonna be another red circuit built here. Why am I not seeing sulfuric acid? I'm so confused. I wonder if I need a chemical plant. Oh, I don't have any chemical... Oh, oh here it is. Okay. Water, iron plate, and sulfur. You know what? There's a little bit of space right here. And we shouldn't need very many. Let's go ahead and just do it right here. We need water, sulfur, and iron plate. It's gonna make how much? A lot. 6,000. Have a tank. Actually, Jesus. I keep trying to hit the wrong key. Let's do that. 600 sulfur. So it needs its own belt. Where's my closest water source? Let's go ahead and tap off. It almost reaches, but not quite. The damn Roboport's in the way now. Oh, screw it. We'll just go up to its distance. There. Should be enough water. Sorry, bots, I'm gonna make you fly. You're gonna have to chase me. Alright, water's hooked up. Oh, I thought I hooked up my iron. Those are fine like that. It's not going to take very much iron. So let's go with... Oh, you son of a... I would need the belt to come out a little bit. Alright. Sulfur is... or sulfuric acid is online. Now I just need to get it. There to there. And almost there, almost there. So blue circuits. Those all have the sulfuric acid. Don't think it's gonna... No, it ain't gonna reach all the way across. But I can... do that. So now they just need red circuits. Dun, 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 right there. Okay. Blue circuit's done. LDS done. What do we need for flying robot frames? Fucking batteries. Okay, that complicates things a little bit. Now the question is, do I want to one for one those? I do, because they are exactly the same, 0.03, 0.03. And then I can belt in the blue chips and LDS on a split belt, because I don't think, yeah, they're not taking very much at all. All right, so that'll work. Let's do that. Whoop. Okay. So that's all flying robot frames. And those are going to take how many? Not a ton. 63 batteries. Yeah, not very many resources. 31.5, so even the electric engines are an exact ratio. And all the materials for that can come in on 2 lanes. The rest of the materials for this can come in on 1. And the science can output on another. Pretty straightforward. But now I need batteries. How many of these do I need to make enough batteries? Oof. Okay. So that's 15. I think I needed what, like 60 something? 63. So we're going to do 8 chemical plants to be safe. Batteries are going to go on the bus. Do I even have 8 chemical plants? Got 6. Now where am I going to want to put the batteries? What was the other thing I needed for it? I have electric engines, circuit steel, batteries. I guess batteries will be on in there. Kind of like own. Okay. This is working completely. Seem to be doing okay. No. Still don't, even with... Oh, that's right, I upgraded this to red belts. One of those is only a partial. Why? Meow. Oh, no way, it's already out? That's crazy. What are you short on? Iron. But why? What? Oh, yeah, because he's worked twice as fast. So I was like, why am I only using half? But it's because they're steel furnaces. That's a big problem for another day, I must say. That's fine. It's going to start slowing down. But we're going to get a buffer going anyways. So let's get... Alright. Batteries. We're going to want to build our batteries here. Because sulfuric acid is already here. Barely. How am I burning through that much sulfuric acid? No, it's not. It's building up. It's just not holding a full amount. I think, I mean, if I add a pump, I could probably boost it a little bit. Alright. Those issues aside, let's get a couple more chemical plants built. And we are going to want to figure something out here. Okay. Can I feed these on one? One yellow belt. Yes. 120, 120. Those can easily fit split. And then output. So we're going to need... to cut that. To there. Copper. And of course there's a rock. Alright. So we'll bring copper and iron in. Split. Okay. Will those ones reach if I spread it across? It does. Nice. Okay. Those are all set. Let's go ahead and input, output, output, input. Let's get it hooked up and see if it works. Ooh, I need to use these ones now. At least on that one. We'll screw it. We'll just put it on here to start. Okay. Seems to be working. That making, how much is this? 120, so that's more than enough batteries. Okay, that should be everything we need for that. So we need steel, batteries, green chips, and yeah. Let's get in. Alright, so I got those in. Those in. That goes straight into there. Out. In. Copy. And let the robots do the work for you. Just like that. Then we will need that takes more circuits than anything, not so much steel. Steel and circuits are closer to each other, so we're going to put those in. There. Alright, that's half of those done. Should start feeding. Now we want oh, substation, you're in the way. Okay. Electric engines and batteries. And that'll get us our flying machine frames, and then all we need left is blue circuits and low density structures, and we should have yellow science rolling in. So blue circuits and low density structures. Here. Low density structures. No, that one's going to be blue circuits. Boom. Now, should be everything, and we should have yellow science on the way. Aside from all of our resources that are very badly backing up. Those are all moving. And these are all moving. Excellent. This... Ooh... Got a whole bunch of crap in here that I don't need. Okay. Excellent. Excellent, excellent. We got yellow science now. That is great. And lots of very badly drained resources. Oh. That'll definitely need to be addressed on the next episode. Alright, that's all clear. Let's go ahead. Where did all my science labs go? Right there. Let's get these all hooked back up. Might have to change these belts up a bit. Yes. Let's do... How many science labs can we fit? 2. With belts on both sides because I have to feed them. That doesn't quite work. Don't quite fit the way I want them to. It's alright though, we'll do it. We're gonna do it anyways. No, I don't like that. I shouldn't have gotten rid of all my... That takes transport belts? That's wild, I didn't know that. Okay. I'm sure I've got some gears or something. Right there. We want them to share their sciences because we're going to have some coming in here, some going in there. I know this is going to be like incredibly inefficient. Alright. And copy. That. Oh, I was going to say, are they just going to keep round bobbing back and forth constantly? But it doesn't look like it. Alright. So we got red, green, military, blue, and yellow. Purple will be coming up. And we've got a terrible resource shortage. That will have to be addressed on the next episode for sure. Alright, what can we do with yellow science? Why did I go with the yellow first? How do I make Power Armor Mark 2? Need Military 4. Alright, let's start with you. And Power Armor Mark 2. What else can we unlock? Battery Mark 2. And Worker Robot Speed 3. And 4? 3 and 4. Alright, there we go. We got some stuff researching. I should actually start making some modules too. At least these ones, red and green circuits. That's something I can slap together real quick. Just because, I mean, those productivity modules are gonna make quite the difference. So let's do just a little extension. Oh crap, all my red circuits are gone. Oh, we are having a terrible time right now. Let's just do this for now. Turn that on, and when you have two arms, you literally just do the same thing. You just connect them all together. Enable, disable when that is less than 50 for now. Shift right click, and there you go. But it doesn't matter anyways, because we're out of freaking red circuits completely. We're out of copper completely. What is it all going to? Green circuits, I guess. Ouch, man. How am I going to increase? Yeah, alright. I know we're approaching an hour, a little over an hour right now, but that's fine. Let's go ahead What are you trying to give me? Thank you. Let's grab those. And bring in some more copper. Oh, crap. Oh, power outage. That's another thing I wasn't even thinking about. So we're short on so many resources. We're short on power now. I should have known. All the expansion without paying attention to the power. So let's go ahead. We're going to hook the steam back up. For now. It's not going to give me a lot, but it's something. Yeah, our demand is high. A little band-aid for an even bigger issue that we have. A massive drop of something right there. I go there. Is this? Come on. Oh, I'm gonna run out of coal too, I think. Pretty soon. Alright, this is absolutely a band-aid. Alright, give me what you're trying to give me. Thank you. And we're just gonna run another belt all the way across because I have been slacking and haven't started trains. Okay. Soup. And run this down. And we're going to get the other. So I think this one's not fully saturated either. It will be. Eventually. Alright, so we're going to get this. Power. Alright. That'll give us a little bit more copper to supplement, and power right now is doing okay. But we do need more solar, more accumulators, or it's going to go out again. Oh, come on. There we go. What the hell's this? Uh-oh. We've got some biter problems again. Right there. There. Oh my god. I've been neglecting biter usage. Power Armor Mark II. We'll be able to make that pretty soon, actually. Let me... I'm going to do one more line of miners. Reason for this. Okay. Splitters. Let me hook up. I'm going to do this instead. Input priority left. Get that side drained down, then this side. Turn this into 1, and then these are going to go up. Yeah. There. There. Okay. Why are you... What? This one's not even fully saturated either? Now it should be. Alright. Let's head back. I'm going to ignore the biter situation for now. That's for another next episode as well. This little iron patch is still cruising. We got 3 lanes of copper coming in now. That should help out a little bit. Our science is probably all over the place, as you can tell. Right now we're only doing like 20 something. Because we have a massive Shortage of material. Okay. Let me help this out a little bit too. And output priority is going to be right. Whoops. But if you can, just help out a little bit. Supplement it. Because it is running low. And there's this other section of copper coming in now. That should help. That should start getting things built up a little bit. Iron is as well an issue. Lots of issues. Resource shortages. Looks like red circuits are kicking on again. Not a lot, but they are. Got 22 of these prod modules. It's not a lot. I'll just hold on to them for now. Alright. Yeah, red and green science, huge shortage. Military is not being used right now. But it looks like we are starting to get a little bit of copper flowing down. So that should start helping out pretty soon. Blue circuits are doing nothing because there's no red science. And yellow... short on batteries because of copper. Okay. Oh, come on. What's low? Thought I have bullets making their way around. Okay, there's some. A little bit on the belt. Okay. Oh, yeah, lots to do. Definitely lots to do before we even get into space. I need to probably expand my perimeter a little bit. Maybe come up like one wall here. Around the wall. From the edge of the water down and then over maybe. Got some biters right there. Alright. But now that we have bots as well, I can extend my grid. Actually, I could extend the grid all the way now. Cool. So with that, I don't have repair packs anyways. But if we get radar bot coverage down to here, they can use repair packs and fix it. Alright, that'll be the last thing I do. I know the video is running kind of long. I'm at a little bit of a standstill until I fix all of my resource troubles. It's still not even pumping completely. Alright, one thing I have not done, and I should have done a very long time ago, these. Iron gears and green circuits. So I can literally just build this right here. Repair packs. Enable disable when repair packs are less than 100. Let's go 200 just in case. Repair packs. Boom. Ta-da. So now, those repair packs will get picked up and they will be taken down to the wall to repair things. Oh, actually. So our bots are actually quite a bit faster now. Can I do another one? No, I need purple science next for the next one, and then I'm going to need space science, and then Volgora science. I just had it at the tip of my tongue. What was it that I wanted, that I was wondering? Crap, I can't remember. Oh, logistic chests and things. Those need space science, right? Yes, they do. Okay, we'll have to get into that soon because requester chests will make things a lot easier. What's missing? Am I not? I thought I was constructing these. Eh? Because we're out of red circuits. Okay. So obviously I'm not going to do any more science research right now because things are not looking good. Not at all. Anyways, that's going to do it for this episode. It was a little bit longer, kind of all over the place because I should have taken care of my resource and power issues before I went ahead and started making more science. It looks nice though. Pretty good build. Science is doing wonderful. But that's going to do it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe if you're still watching at this point, especially because there will be more. And hope you guys have a fantastic day.